Welcome to the Efteling, Holland's world-famous recreation centre. The Efteling, where you and your children can enjoy yourselves and relax the whole day long. This map shows you what the Efteling has to offer and where everything can be found. It will help you to plan your visit and make the most of your time. The red winking light on the map marks the spot where you are now. In the building behind you is the information office. Besides finding out about bus and train connections, you can change money there. It is also a cloakroom, first aid post and lost property office. Again, should you lose or find a child, the information office can help. The building next door sells souvenirs and postcards. It is also the starting point for a stroll through one of our most popular attractions, the Fairy Tale Wood, where scenes from many familiar fairy stories come to life before your eyes. The woodland path brings you to the grotto of the Indian water lilies, a fairy tale written by Queen Fabiola of Belgium. Your journey through fairyland ends with the flying fakir and the ornamental garden near the big playground. Alongside the big playground is the Kleuterhof, a toddler's paradise complete with paddling pools and children's railway. Close by is the tea house, offering simple meals, pastries and liquid refreshments. Or you can try the cafe restaurant a little farther along. From the terraces outside, there are some delightful views over the ornamental lake, a restful sight with its ducks and both black and white swans. Inside, they serve all manner of mouth-watering snacks or a full-scale meal if you prefer. But the Efteling has lots more to offer besides. A walk through the park, for instance, which takes you past the deer preserve, a swim in our magnificent open-air pool, or rowing on the large boating lake. For canoeing enthusiasts, we have a special shallow canoeing lake. If you're tired of walking, take the weight off your feet and have a rest for a while on one of our playing fields. Or step aboard our miniature steam train for a trip through a beautiful section of the Efteling while you get your breath back. And don't miss our super merry-go-round. You'll find it between the water organ, the diorama and the theatre. Come shower or shine, there's always something to do in the Efteling. Last but not least, the Efteling provides various facilities for your convenience. At the car park outside the north entrance, you can kennel the family dog, borrow a wheelchair free of charge, and hire a pushchair. In the tea house and cafe restaurant are public telephone kiosks. Finally, at a number of strategic points, refreshments, hot snacks and ice cream aisles. That, in a nutshell, is the Efteling. We wish you a pleasant and enjoyable visit.